Hello everyone, welcome back to another tutorial. Today we are going to draw this 3D model. First of all, choose the new file. Click on the sketch button and choose the plane and click on the OK button. This is your 2D representation of 3D part. First of all, draw one line and convert this line to reference. Now choose the arc tool and in the arc tool choose the center arc method. Click on the center point, start point, radius is 12 and swap angle is 90. Close the arc tool. Now choose the profile tool. Now dimension it. It is 12. This is 30 and it is also 12. Now again choose the arc tool. X coordinates 0 and Y coordinates is 30. Now the radius is 12 and swap angle is 90. And close the arc tool. Now click on the down arrow button and choose the mirror curve. Select the curve and the center line. Your 2D sketch is drawn. Now choose the extrude tool and you can change the depth of extrude in the distance edit box and click OK. You can hide the sketch and the coordinates. Your 3D part is drawn. Thank you for watching and never forget to like or share our video and subscribe our channel.